Hello everybody, this is Joe Cusick from the Cusick Group with your Traders Exclusive. Well, basically what you're seeing right now is what I'm anticipating is the end of just a short-term pullback and a larger uptrend. This correction over the last 4 weeks, there's been about a 4% pullback in the S&Ps. We saw it hold this week in the 2020 level, and now we finished the day right around that mid-2040, almost 2050 level. And I'm just taking this as a pullback universally, not only in the S&Ps, but I'm seeing it in the NASDAQ as well as in the Russell 2000. Bottom line is that you're going to want to watch, if you're watching the S&Ps, watch that 2040 level and the 2020 level. If you're watching the IWM or the Russell 2000, watch the 1070 level. And if you're watching the Qs or the NASDAQ, watch that 1040 level. Any breaks there, then the bears could get some catalyst and some momentum to the downside. But right now, I'm not seeing it. As a matter of fact, looking at some of those large cap tech names, you're looking at Apple, Google, and Microsoft. Now, these three names, they're challenging support. We're going to want to watch those closely. Well, we did see that chip maker AMAT came out with positive earnings. Stock was up big time today, so that could be a catalyst for those names. But we are seeing other large cap tech stock names like Amazon and Facebook. They're clearly in an uptrend. They're leading, even though we've seen that the NASDAQ has been in a consolidation. The last sector that I would consider one of those biotech sectors that most people are going to want to have moving to the upside if they're going to see a bigger catalyst is biotech. Biotech is one of those areas that has been under pressure. As a matter of fact, that ETF has been in a downtrend, but I think it's right now bottoming. If you look at the IBB, you can see that it's right at support. If it starts to get some momentum to the upside, you could see a catalyst for tech, and if tech breaks out, then the overall market is going to have a catalyst. The two red flags that I'm going to watch, though, going into next week's trading is going to be the industrials and finance. If, in fact, there is any weakness in those two sectors, that could put this whole move to the upside that we saw today on Friday, ending a week that's been volatile, that could put the brakes on any upside, and we want to see continuation in those two areas. These are two offensive sectors that have done well. Last but not least, watch the action in the dollar. It has been gaining strength, and the euro has been getting weak. That is positive for stocks, but it is very negative for gold. Watch gold. Gold is going to be under pressure. The metal has been on the move lately to the upside, but we saw at the end of the week it had pulled back. Gold futures right now, watch that 1225 level. If strength in the dollar continues, that's going to put gold under pressure. All right, got a lot to look at over the weekend, so folks, want to wish you the best. Also, if you're interested in doing some webinars over the weekend and into next week, both on strategy and just the overall markets, if you want to stay tuned, just Google the Cusick Group and you can get more information. All right, everybody, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week.